God damn it! What are we doing today? Well, it's not a book review or anything like that. I haven't done in this YouTube channel yet. But today it's about to change your world. Anyway, I noticed, I think I have, either you're vegetarian or you're omnivores, whatever. Live how you live. I live however I want to live, right? Anyway, today I will show you how to make Japanese mayo, right? The only reason why I know how to make this is because it's simple. I know how to make mayo actually from scratch because of culinary arts. But Japanese mayo is very interesting. And yes, that is piss. Actually, that's not piss. Don't worry about it. That's green tea. I love green tea. Except Japanese green tea doesn't look like this green tea. But I love tea. I drink Thai tea. I love Thai tea. Thai tea is great. Bubble tea. All Asian people know bubble tea with the freaking pearls, right? People know bubble tea, right? I haven't drank bubble tea for a long time. Well, I don't know. I guess it's the experience. I guess I'm scared of drinking bubble tea because every time I drink bubble tea, the black pearl always gets stuck in, it go to the wrong tunnel. Every time I drink, I was like, God damn, come on, man. I don't want to die drinking bubble tea. God damn. Anyway, so here's the thing about sushi, right? Most of the world, if you ask most people, I guarantee you 100% why they don't eat sushi. Because it is raw. And I keep telling people you don't have to make sushi raw. Yes, I know how to make sushi and I know how to make food. I just don't feel like making food because I'm freaking lazy. Like when I was a kid, had this urge to make food because I saw my mom making food and I want to do it myself, and I was terrible at making food. So yeah, Asian foods are easy though. I can make Vietnamese sweet and sour soup, but I'm too lazy for that. Anyway, if you're a vegetarian or you're vegan, whatever, you can do this. You can eat sushi with whatever vegetable, right? And yeah, you'll be fine. And if you're a meat lover, then you can do sushi with. If you don't like raw, you can do cooked shrimp tempura sushi. That's tempura. Tempura is the flour over the shrimp. I know how to make that. I don't feel like doing that. Maybe in the future. And you will see that they put red, kind of yellowish, red, white, orange stuff on it. Is mayo, Japanese mayo. Anyway, it's easy to make mayo because I was in culinary arts, and this is sriracha, spicy. You can use it. All Asian people use this. Goddamn Asian people. Ah damn it. I want to say something dirty because I like to say something dirty out of my mouth sometimes. Like, goddamn, that's a lot of. Never mind. For guys, you know what I mean. That's a lot of white stuff right there. Anyway, I shouldn't say that. Damn, I don't know what I'm gonna do anymore. Goddamn, this is gonna be on video and it's gonna be on fucking YouTube. Goddamn, man. All right, you take this white stuff, right? Just dump it here. Well, I usually use a bottle. I remember how I learned from this is because I was working at a Japanese restaurant, and they teach you how to. They didn't teach. I observed how to make it, and I asked him. He was Chinese, and it was cool. He was Japanese, Chinese. No, not Japanese. He was a Chinese guy learning how to make not learning how to make. He knew how to make sushi. He was a sushi chef. And then here's the thing with me with mayo is I'm addicted to mayo, okay? The white stuff, okay? I remember back in boarding school, I remember I was putting mayo on everything, whether from sandwich, from pizza. I remember I used to put dressing on pizza back in either second grade and something, I can't remember. But I use a lot of mayo on a lot of things. And my friend said, God damn, John, why do you keep using mayo, man? You're gonna get a heart attack. Anyway, this is mayo, the white stuff, okay? I remember I was playing, they had a packet in boarding school. I was playing with mayo with the packet, and then I like freaking there was a packet, and I put the packet here, and then I hit it, and the mayo shoot on my phone. I said, yeah, that's what, you know. I don't want to say it, but you get what I mean, right? Those guys or whatever, you get the joke. Anyway, all you do, I remember what he told me, right? If you want spicy, you can put a hell of a spice. If you want just a little bit spice, you can put a little bit spice. So that's it. This is spicy, and then you stir it. Yeah. Oh, you look like blood. Goddamn. Goddamn. And there you go. Japanese mayo. And I usually use this for, I guess, most of the things that I use are on rice, fried rice, chicken nugget. Of course, I use it on sushi, but usually rice, maybe pizza, some other weird stuff that I put. I'm weird with my food, okay? I'm weird with my food. Okay, that's it. Green tea is good. I replace. Most people like drinking water. That's fine. Water's good, right? For me, I need I need taste. I need taste in my mouth, man. I don't know why, but I need taste in my mouth. Damn, I want to say some gay stuff, man. Ah, damn, man. Yes, I actually say some gay stuff in real life, but you know, it's like, yeah, all in your mouth, man. Put it all in your mouth. Never mind. I shouldn't say that. Anyway, green tea. If I don't have green tea, it's no life. It's like, god damn, man. If I don't read books, I'm not happy. Anyway, I'll see ya. Bye bye.